If you're looking for somebody that's really going to be a good partner for you through the entire process and help you stay true to what your goal is for the facility, I think Riley is definitely the right choice. Dynamic Ratings provides monitoring on high voltage electrical assets, essentially the check engine light for large power transformers, high voltage circuit breakers, and other electrical equipment.
We were living in a facility of about 26,000 square feet, and it was elbow to elbow, all the way to the point that our shipping and receiving manager had to take pallets outside every day before we could start our workday, cover them if the weather was bad, and then bring them back in just so we had space to work.
We realized Riley was the right choice very early on. We started to run into decision points in the process where we needed to make trade-offs between how do I make sure that we achieve our goals in the right design for the facility and at the same time be able to keep things within the budget that we had estimated. And Riley gave us great guidance in all of those decisions.
The Riley team brought really a calm urgency is what I would use to the project. And that kind of matched my personality. I like to see things drive fairly quickly, but urgently, but yet still no panic. And that's what it felt like really every day, both in our weekly meetings. I would visit the site quite often because I did have a comfort in the construction from my own background, and always felt like things were on track and that they were moving forward. And sure, there's challenges. That's how construction works. Every project's different, but they did a very nice job of just keeping things moving and keeping that calm urgency.
I felt like they were truly a partner for us and always on our side trying to help us make sure that we're going to get the best product at the best price. There was never a concern as to, is Riley really in looking out for our best interest? They were clearly always on our side.
I would say, especially if you don't have experience in construction, rely on the experience that Riley has. They did a nice job of delivering that across all of the disciplines that they have to supervise, but they also bring their own expertise that years of experience have kind of brought together.
If you're looking for a facility that's going to be an impressive facility, not just a basic building, Riley is definitely the right choice.